Hi guys, Chef T here. I am hosting a games night. My friends are here, chilling in the lounge. I'm in the kitchen to prepare something quick and satisfying for them. I'm making cheap pizza because I have no time to make the dough. I want to be in there having fun with them. So I'm going to use the tortilla that I bought in the store as my base, and my toppings are caramelized pearl and some prosciutto with a bit of mozzarella. Delicious. I don't think they know what's coming. Let's go cook. I'm making garlic flavor oil. Just gonna let that cook for about 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna take this and set it aside because my pan is hot enough. I'm gonna work with residual heat. Take balsamic vinegar. We want to reduce this to about half. Butter. Brown sugar. I'm cooking these on medium heat and I'm gonna turn them just once. Okay, so for the topping, I'm going to first start with a drizzle of my garlic olive oil, then followed by a generous serving of my mozzarella. I want a lot of this because this is where the crispy edges come from as the cheese melts. Oh, love that. And then add your caramelized pearl. I like to double up. Then add your prosciutto. Don't forget to make sure all your ingredients are in a single layer because this now helps to give you that extra crispy pizza and everything cooks evenly. It smells amazing and pairs perfectly with Stella Artois. Now it's game on. Let's see what my guests think.